Sierra Leone is a country in Western Africa that borders the North Atlantic Ocean. It is between the countries Guinea and Liberia. In the world, it's 119th in the amount of area it has. To compare, it's slightly smaller than our state, South Carolina. This is Sierra Leone's flag. The flag consists of 3 horizontal, equal-sized stripes. The top stripe is green, the middle is white, and the bottom is blue. The green stripe represents agriculture in the country, which is its natural wealth, and also represents mountains. The white stripe stands for justice and unity, and the blue represents Atlantic Ocean and the harbor of Freetown, which is the country's capital. The flag was adopted on April 27, 1961, when Sierra Leone gained independence from Britain. The name Sierra Leone translates to Lion Mountains in Portuguese. Portuguese discoverers named the land in the 15th century after its mountainous regions. The Sierra Leone flag originates from the country's coat of arms. An interesting fact about Sierra Leone is that from 1889 to 1961, the flag of Sierra Leone incorporated the British Union Jack in it. The Sierra Leone is the currency of Sierra Leone. About 4,307 leones equals $1. It is abbreviated as SLL. The most commonly used bills are the 10, the 50, and the 100. The least commonly used ones are the 20 and 500 bills. People have lived in now what is Sierra Leone for thousands of years. Portuguese began visiting the area in 1462. In the 1500s, other European trading ships began stopping there too. The Europeans shipped many people from this area to the Americas as slaves. In 1787, Sierra Leone became a colony for freed slaves from Britain and the U.S. Britain claimed to proctor it in 1896, in part to keep it out of the hands of the ambitious French. Sierra Leone gained freedom in 1961. Sources in Sierra Leone include diamonds, titanium, bauxite, iron, gold, and chromite. Many things get exported from Sierra Leone. One is diamonds. There is a lot of war over these conflict diamonds in Sierra Leone, and many people die. Rutile is a mineral used for paint and welding rods. Cocoa is our everyday chocolate, and coffee is what we drink every morning to wake ourselves up. Fish is very common because Sierra Leone is near an ocean. Sierra Leone made $1.168 billion from exports in 2012, which is almost 4 times what it made in 2011. It is number 154 compared to other countries. The main countries that Sierra Leone trades with are Belgium, Romania, the Netherlands, China, US, Turkey, and the UK. Sierra Leone runs on a constitutional democracy. President Ernest Bai Koroma is the president and the chief of state in Sierra Leone. Sierra Leone has a population of 5,485,998, which is 112th in the world. Although Sierra Leone does not rely on any outside aid, it still has its own problems. A problem in Sierra Leone is that Liberia, the country right next to it, is having an internal war. Refugees from Liberia are coming into Sierra Leone to hide. The people of Sierra Leone don't know what to do with these hiding refugees, but it is adding a burden onto Sierra Leone that is unwanted. One problem in Sierra Leone is the lack of education. Most people only go to school for about 12 years, and the country only spends about 4.3% of its GDP on education. The literacy rate of Sierra Leone is about 35.1%. The people of Sierra Leone are at a very high risk of getting diseases. Diseases include bacterial and protozoal diarrhea, hepatitis A, typhoid fever, malaria, yellow fever, and Lassa fever. About 49,000 people in the country are living with HIV and AIDS, and about 2,800 deaths occur every year from that disease. About 76% of the urban population, 94% of the rural population, and 87% of the total population has unimproved sanitation, which can be very unhealthy. There's not enough hospital beds to fulfill the amount of sick patients it has. And there's very little amount of physicians that could do anything to help these sick people. The country spends about 13.1% of its GDP on health expenditure. The life expectancy of most people in Sierra Leone is about 56.55 years.